There really have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application. Yet up until this point, none in every practical sense have figured out how to break into the standard, which generally is very huge. STEPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and truly friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates changing that in a by and large significant manner. STEPN in a real sense utilizes a double symbolic framework, which in a real sense is very critical. The first, kind of green Satoshi token, or GST, in every practical sense, is a utility game token, and the very second one, truly green metaverse token, or GMT, generally is an administration token, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The last option essentially is the cryptographic money we will commonly be taking a gander at in this cost estimate in an unpretentious way. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT genuinely token cost forecast doesn't explicitly comprise venture counsel, which basically is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, in every case certainly do actually your really own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital money, which generally is genuinely critical. STEPN Value Expectation 2023 as per the specialized examination of STEPN costs expected in 2023. The base expense of STEPN will for the most part be $0.34, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The really most extreme level that the GMT cost can truly go after all expectations and objects is $0.38 and in an every practical sense, large way. In every practical sense, normal exchanging cost generally is normal around $0.35, which really is very critical. GMT value figure for May 2023 in light of the value vacillations of STEPN toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists certainly expect the really normal GMT pace of $0.28 in May 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Its fundamentally least and essentially most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.25 and at $0.29 separately, showing how GMT value conjecture for May 2023 in view of the value changes of STEPN toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists truly expect the fundamentally normal GMT pace of $0.28 in May 2023 in a fundamentally significant way. June 2023, STEPN value conjecture digital money specialists truly are certainly prepared to truly report their gauge for the GMT cost in June 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The truly least exchanging cost could sort of be $0.28, while the extremely greatest could generally reach $0.30 during this month. By and large, it especially is normal that the worth of STEPN could generally be around $0.29. GMT value gauge for July 2023 crypto experts sort of have really taken a look at the value vacillations of STEPN in 2023 and in earlier years. So the especially normal GMT rate they fundamentally foresee could essentially be around $0.30 in July 2023 in a very significant way. It can drop to $0.28 as a base. Exceptionally further appearance how its especially least and most extreme costs can explicitly be anticipated at $0.25 and at $0.29. Separately, showing how GMT value estimate for May 2023 in view of the value vacillations of STEPN toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists basically expect the in every way that really matters normal GMT pace of $0.28 in May 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. The especially most extreme worth could fundamentally be $0.31. August 2023, STEPN value gauge around mid-year 2023, the GMT cost will in a real sense be exchanged at $0.31 by and large, showing how STEPN value expectation 2023 as per the specialized examination of STEPN costs expected in 2023. The in every practical sense, least expensive STEPN will sort of be $0.34, or so they truly thought. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the STEPN worth to $0.32, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. It generally is accepted that the cost won't drop sort of lower than $0.30 in August 2023, which most certainly is genuinely critical. GMT value figure for September 2023 crypto specialists truly have examined STEPN costs in 2023, so they basically will be fundamentally prepared to in every practical sense give their assessed exchanging kind of normal for September 2023, $0.32, which generally is very critical. The fundamentally the most minimal and top GMT rates could explicitly be $0.31 and $0.34, or so they truly thought. October 2023, STEPN value gauge crypto examiners for the most part expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the GMT cost will be around $0.33 in an unpretentious manner. In October 2023, the stepn cost might drop to a very least of $0.32, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The normal pinnacle worth could generally be $0.35 in October 2023. GMT value estimate for November 2023 having broke down stepn costs. Cryptographic money specialists especially expect that the GMT rate could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.37 in November 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.33, which is very critical. For November 2023, the determined really normal of stepn by and large is especially almost $0.34, or so they basically thought. December 2023, stepn value conjecture around mid-2023, the stepn cost will basically be exchanged at the especially normal degree of $0.35, sort of additional appearance house in EPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and genuinely friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that, or so they sort of thought. Crypto examiners most certainly expect that in December 2023, the GMT cost could especially vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.34 and $0.38, exhibiting that EPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and certainly friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates changing that in an unpretentious way. stepn value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of stepn in earlier years. It by and large is expected that in 2024, the especially least cost of stepn will be around $0.48 in an especially significant manner. The especially greatest expected GMT cost may generally be around $0.59. Showing how by and large, it for the most part is normal that the worth of stepn could sort of be around $0.29 and in an every practical sense, enormous way. By and large, the exchanging cost could for the most part be $0.50 in 2024, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. stepn value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of stepn in 2025, GMT in every practical sense is supposed to have the accompanying in every way that really matters, least and truly greatest costs, about $0.70 and $0.85, separately and in every way that really matters, huge way most certainly. The in every practical sense, normal expected exchanging cost for the most part is $0.73, or so they especially thought. stepn value expectation 2026 the specialists in the field of digital money generally have broke down the costs of stepn and their changes during the earlier years in a genuinely enormous manner. It is accepted that in 2026, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.06, while its really greatest can explicitly reach $1.23, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $1.09 in a genuinely significant manner. stepn value expectation